How to fix gallery video not playing problem solve. So if you want to fix your problem of gallery video not playing, then what you need to do is first you need to simply tap and hold on to your gallery. Once you've done that, go with the app info. Now under your app info, you need to go with storage and cache. Go with clear cache. Once you clear your cache, now you need to go back and you just need to simply go with permissions and make sure that you allow the permissions. Once you've done that, your problem might be fixed. You just need to simply restart your device and check if your problem still persists. But if it does, just open up your settings and go with search. Now under search, you need to search for reset app preferences or just simply search for reset. Once you search for reset, you will get reset all settings. Tap on it and here you will have reset app preferences. Tap on that and then tap on reset, which is on the right side. Once you reset your app preferences, restart your device, and after that your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your gallery video not playing problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.